Welcome everyone. Today we are going to create this valve body in SolidWorks. So let's get started. Start with New File. Select Part. Make sure the dimensions are in millimeters. Now choose Top Plane to sketch. Draw a circle at origin. Give a diameter of 132 millimeters. Go to Features. Select Extrude Boss Base. Keep it blind and enter 11 millimeters. Now from Reference Options select Plane, and then select the bottom face. Check Flip Offset to reverse direction of plane, and enter 163 millimeters distance of the plane. Click on this plane to sketch. Draw a center rectangle at the origin point. Keep size of 120 millimeters by 120 millimeters. Go to Features again and extrude it up to 11 millimeters. Now hide this plane by clicking on this eye. Choose Front Plane to select Sketch. First draw a vertical centerline here. Now draw the sketch like this. Go to Smart Dimension and select this point and then select this centerline. Enter diameter of 112 millimeters here. Next select this point and enter diameter of 105 millimeters. Select this point also and enter diameter of 94 millimeters. Now select bottom point and enter a dimension of 64 millimeters. Select this point and bottom line to give a height of 112 millimeters. Go to Features and revolve this about the centerline. Select the bottom plane to draw a circle. Enter diameter of 60 millimeters. Go to Features and extrude it up to a height of 22 millimeters. Select Reference to create a new plane. From this drop-down, select the right plane. Reverse direction by Flip Offset, and enter a distance of 80 millimeters for this plane. Now select this plane to draw a sketch. Select Circle here and from Origin go upside. Enter diameter of 112 millimeters here. Enter height of 93 millimeters from bottom face for this circle. Select Origin and then select the center of the circle to keep the relation vertical. From Features, select Extrude Base and enter a size of 10 millimeters. Hide this plane. Select the inside face here to draw a sketch. Select Circle, then hover around this outer circle to get the center point. From center point draw a circle of diameter 60.3 millimeters. From Features menu, select Extrude. This time choose End Condition, up to Next. Select this draft option. Enter a draft angle of 7 degrees, and check this box of draft outwards. This time, a tapered surface is created with angle of 7 degrees. Now select the top surface to draw a circle here. Enter diameter 82 millimeters. From Features, select Extrude Cut. Keep condition blind and cut it up to 35 millimeters. Similarly, select the bottom face and draw a circle of 44 millimeters diameter here. From Extrude Cut, keep the end condition up to surface. Select this top surface. Our depth will be created up to this selected surface. Now select the front plane to draw a sketch. From Display Style drop-down, choose Hidden Lines Visible. Draw a closed sketch like this from this point. Draw a center line and go to Smart Dimensions option. Select this endpoint and then center line to enter a diameter of 54 millimeters. Now go to Features options and select Revolve Cut features. You can see from top that our inner part is now completely clear. Select Front Plane to draw a sketch. Draw a horizontal center line from here. Choose option of Hidden Line Visible, and then draw a sketch like this. Select Smart Dimension and then select this point and then center line to enter a diameter of 42 millimeters. Now select this outer edge and then this sketched line. Make a relation of parallel here. Now go to Revolved Cut feature and we will get a clear hole here from side face 2. You can see the section view of this part by clicking here. Select the side face to draw a sketch. Draw a circle of diameter 85 millimeters from the center point of this circle. Draw another circle of diameter 12 millimeters. Now select the first circle and make it for construction. From Features, choose Extrude Cut to create a hole. From here, choose Circular Pattern option. First, select the feature to pattern this hole of Extrude Cut 3. Now select the direction of pattern this outer circular surface. Keep numbers 4 and 360 degrees. On the top surface, draw a sketch to create a hole. First, draw a center point rectangle for the reference. Give it size of 95 mm by 95 mm. Now draw a circle of 12 mm at the corner of the rectangle. Select Rectangle and choose for construction. Now draw vertical and horizontal lines from origin. We will use them to mirror the circle. Select Mirror Entities, choose Circle, and then mirror it about the center line. Go to Features Options and then select Extrude Cut to create the holes. Turn on Real View Graphics options. Assign the material from Appearance options. Add some fillet on the sharp edges. Fillet of radius 15 mm for the top surface here. For remaining sharp edges, you can apply a fillet of 2.5 mm here. Our valve body is now completed. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.